Hiccups, Part 3. Dr. Shyamveer Bhaiya, Assistant Professor, रोग निदान डिपार्टमेंट, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। अब इसमें कॉजेज देख रहे थे जिसमें सेकंड कौन था, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम डिसऑर्डर। A tumor or infection in central nervous system or damage to central nervous system as a result of trauma can disrupt a body's normal control of the hiccup reflex. Examples include encephalitis, meningitis, multiple sclerosis, stroke, traumatic brain injury, tumors, third causes देखते हैं metabolic disorder and drugs. Long-term hiccup can be triggered by alcoholism, anesthesia, barbiturates, diabetes, electrolyte imbalance, kidney failures, steroids, tranquilizers. Risk factor: men are much more likely to develop long-term hiccup than are women. Other factors that may increase your risk of hiccup include mental or emotional issues, anxiety, stress, and excitement have been associated with some cases of short-term and long-term hiccups. Surgery: some people develop hiccups after undergoing general anesthesia or after procedure that involve abdominal organs. Thank you.